Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. So I'm just coming on to show you my latest kit. So this is my first kit for January in the membership, but it was also now in my Etsy shop as well. So it's called In the Garden, and the whole sort of idea of it, as you might have guessed, is to make it feel like you're in the garden or in the potting shed kind of thing. So here we've got, part of the garden and the fence, a little hedgehog peeking out. And then this is with the idea that this is you in the potting shed with your, your trowel and your notes on the wall about your garden tasks, your hat hanging up. And then this is the idea of having leafy wallpaper in your shed. And then here's a page here with, again, part of the shed and garden, watering can, little bird, and then this is the outside, so you've got like the wooden shed and a gate and flowers and things. Here we've got this. I thought this would be a really fun journal page, so it's your notes from the garden, what you've seen in the garden, and then we have another gate and bird and butterfly and your welly boots, and then I really like all of this together. Here another view of the garden leading up into another outbuilding and another little hedgehog, and then again I thought this would be a really fun journal page where again your notes, you can make your notes, and then the little hedgehog and the bird and everything. Here's a different variation of the previous page which says notes instead of observations, and this page is different, so this one is the again inside your potting shed, but this time if you had like wooden walls all around. So again your notes are on the wall. Here this is a slightly different look from before. We've got the gate leading into the garden and then again the potting shed, so I thought this would be a really nice page to use. Slightly different again, this one. This one is with this notes on the wall being slightly bigger, so a more zoomed in look there. And here the gate going all the way across, fence and the gate and the little bird perched on top. And again this is a different view of the garden. Again sort of a different variation of this time with the potting shed and this view with the bird. Garden tasks and a nice background, and then some more plainer pages for you to do your own thing with. So lots of different variations of different pages. And again this was kind of the look of having, you're in your potting shed and then you've got this nice beautiful garden as your view kind of thing. So very abstract, but I really love how it's turned out. And again we've got leading up into the garden path and everything. And then this one is purely for you to decorate with ephemera and things, and then we've just got this little bird perched on the fence. And then, so those are all of the sort of journal pages, as it were, where they're, something there and something there. Then there are a few backing pages. So I've got this brown sort of fence brown fence pattern. And then this one is sort of like a nice damask. It just went really well with the colouring. It's actually the same background as what's behind all of these like hats and stuff, so it really goes really quite well. And this is again the same background, but this time with leaves over the top, and that's what I used for the leafy wallpaper. As you can see, it was my favourite, so I printed a couple of those ready for my next project. And then this is part of the backing sheet, so we've got sort of different, it's kind of like a seamless pattern, I guess. So we've got, butterflies and bees and pots of flowers and things. And then this is another seamless pattern with the sun hats, a bit of the lavender and some butterflies and bees. Again, it's that damask, that sort of creamy beige damask paper. And this is another of the sort of seamless patterns, this time with bouquets of lavender and pieces of lavender. And then we've got this one with the bees and lavender. So those are all of the kit pages. From what I remember, it's 20 pages in total. So those are all those. And then I do have some bonus sheets for anyone who buys the bundle that this comes in, or who is a member of the clubhouse. So this is one of the bonus backing sheets where we've got some foxes and butterflies and all of the sort of garden critters, as it were, rabbits and ducks and welly boots and all sorts of things on that one. And then this one, again, just a bonus sheet, again the same damask background, this time with books and lavender letters and things. So and I think there's also another one of these, but which is portrait as a bonus. So those are the bonus for the bundle, which isn't quite available yet, but members of the clubhouse get my digitals every month as I design them, so they've already got access to those. But if you would like this in the garden kit, then I do now have it in my Etsy shop, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I can't wait to use it. I hope that you're excited to see me use it, and if you do decide to go ahead and purchase it, then I really hope you enjoy using it just as much as I enjoyed designing it for you. So thank you so much then, everyone. Thanks for joining me for this flip through of my In the Garden kit, and I will speak to you very soon. I suppose the next time you see this, unless you buy it, is next time on my videos will be the next project that I make, which I don't want to give you any spoilers, but it involves some fun envelopes and flip outs. Surprise, surprise. Thanks so much then, everyone, and we'll speak very soon. Bye bye for now.